Hi everyone, Rene with WhyAmIGreen.com, and I just wanted to come on today to say happy 4th of July and also to show you the results, I guess you could say, up to date on my single seed challenge. So let me go ahead and show them to you. As most of you might remember, back in February, I was challenged to do a single seed challenge, and the seed I chose was a Moscow tomato. And I chose a Moscow tomato just because they seemed interesting and they could handle 40 degree weather, which they did. It get pretty cold out here in the spring up here in Maine, up in the, I guess you could say, in April and May, because I planted them, I believe, the beginning of April outside. So you can see how they're doing. And let me get close to them. They're actually about 5 feet tall. They're as tall as I am, but you can see, look at all the tomatoes on these things. Now, rather than planting one seed, I planted actually the entire package and gave most of them to my neighbor way over there, who's got a bunch of them growing, and some across the street. So I kept these, what, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 of them. And this was the original right here, this last one. So you can see it's doing quite well also. Look at the tomatoes in there. And yeah, see them? Bunch there, bunch down there, some more in here. So they're doing quite well, and you can see there's tons of flowers on them, so there's going to be an awful lot more coming out. I got to come out here, do some trimming and putting them all back inside the baskets. So you can see they're doing quite well. Just wanted to show that to you. I'll probably come back one more time with these and show you the end result when all the tomatoes start to turn red. So thanks for watching, and remember, if you're not growing, you're not green. Bye-bye.